Our 36-inch 2 burners and griddle oven range combo. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 36 inches, a depth of 32¼ inches with backsplash. Minus the splash, we have 30 inches. And overall height with splash, we have 59 inches tall. Minus the splash, we have 38½ inches tall. Measurements for the griddle will include 20 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, and 1/2 inch thickness. Top of the range will be a shelf, and measuring the shelf, we have 36 inches in length by 10 inches in depth. Coming beneath the griddle will be a waste tray that can be removed. This waste tray will collect all the excess and debris that's collected on the top and our right side of the griddle. Coming to the left side of the range will be 2 removable burners. And each plate will measure 12 inches in length by 12 inches in depth. Measurements applied for both of the burners can be removed and inserted back into their position. Beneath the burners will also be the oil tray that will collect all the excess and debris from the top. Coming to the front and center will be the knobs to operate your burners, griddles, and the oven range. For the oven range, included will be 2 shelves. Each shelf will measure 24 inches in depth by 25½ inches in length. Overall height for the oven range interior, we have 14 inches total. Located on the back will be the gas entry or black pipe to connect your gas and operate this oven range. This oven range can be operated with natural gas or propane, and included will be the gas regulator along with the propane conversion kit. Please note that this oven range is NSF and ETO certification, and all documentation for this oven range will be provided. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotusa.com for more information on this product. Thank you.